14th Street and South Ferry. Two trains are not running between 34th Street and Flatbush Avenue. Two trains are running between Dyer Avenue and 34th Street. Three trains are not running between 148th Street and Newlands Avenue because of traffic improvement. For service between 135th Street and 148th Street, take the free shuttle bus. For service to Newlands Avenue, take the GO train. For service to Flatbush Avenue, take the 5 train. 5 trains are running between 244th Street and Flatbush Avenue. For service to Park Place, Fulton Street, Wall Street, and Clark Street, use nearby station on the 4, 5, or R line. For service to Portland, Rector Street, and South Ferry, use nearby station on the R line.
This is A14, now the one train. Next up on the train, 18. That's what we're going to take us to the